Hello everyone, welcome to today's release cut meeting. Today is 30th of July and today we are doing Cluster API 1.8.0 RC0 release, and usual reminder CNCF code of conduct, which essentially means being nice to each other. Yep. And let's get started. Regarding the release note PR, that is already merged. So I was checking the row action and that is also completed. I see it here, like it's done. So next thing is I was also checking the branch on Gappy, because in RC it should create a new branch on Gappy, so and then it has created the new branch and the action has already automatically created. We didn't have to do anything manually. So we have this 1.8 branch, and if I check all the branches, it was created by a bot. So we have a workflow script that automatically creates the branch if it's a RC release. Sorry, not here, this one. GitHub action, sorry. So GitHub action, we have written in a workflow file, which automatically creates a branch whenever there is a new RC release. So we don't have to do anything manually. This is just for next release cycle if someone sees this video, so they know, because I was also confused. Like, do I have to create the branch manually, or just the release notes will create it automatically from the GitHub action?
I
Uh,
think it should be good like if it is mentioned in the release docs, like just for like removing the confusion.
yeah, it's not written in the release notes. Uh,
Uh, is it
and
possible to add like somehow?
yeah, we can edit that. With RC release, the GitHub action will automatically create a new branch. We can add it in the release notes. I think that's a good thing. That would be nice in the release notes, much more clear. For the next cycle, this is a good action item for next release cycle, I think. Um, what else? And I was checking the images. Images are also here. So please collect the SHAs. I will open a PR in the promo in Creates repo for this promotion of these images. Let me stop sharing and share again. So I can share my Visual Studio Code. Sorry, one. Okay, it's here. Okay, are you seeing cluster API? Let's see, right? Yeah, user fork. I have exported my zero fork. Next thing is I have to export the new tag that we have published. Let me just copy it just to make sure that doesn't go wrong. Okay, tag is exported. Next is we have to run make target to promote these images. Let's run this one. Okay, this will take some time. Meanwhile, when this is running, I will stop sharing and share again my Chrome. Yeah, okay. So now we have the new branch. So next thing for us is, I think Chandan has already opened the PRs for ComStream, which are this DNS. This is for, I think, Book, I believe, DNS 1.8 Netlify. Yeah, I think it believes it's for the Book. Um,
I don't see any reviewer got assigned, is it? Oh, I see it now.
yeah,
Okay.
we have, I think it would be better if we can assign, you can tag some of the KP maintainers here also. But
Okay.
let's release first. I think after that you can tag them
Yeah.
here. Yeah. And for this one, I can also review, and you can also tag Stephen, Fabrizio, and Christian because they are mostly involved with the release.
Okay.
And next step is for the CI team. Sunat, I think Sunat is already in the call, right? Yes, Sunat is here.
Yeah,
And next is for
here
the,
I'm here.
yeah, we will need new job on this board and new tab
Yeah,
and all this stuff. It would be nice to have them as soon as possible so we can start seeing the status of the
yeah.
CI of
I
1.8.
am I'm trying to reuse the make. Can you hear me by the way?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, I am trying to uh, run this make generate make target
Mhm.
for the infra pro jobs,
Okay, okay.
but that's not working. Probably I would create it manually. Let's see.
Yeah, sure. I mean, we can ask Christian also because he wrote that script. There might be like there's some issue in that script uh, that it's not working. We can ask him also
Yeah.
regarding that. Yeah, that's not an issue. Um, I'm not sure if there's anything else we need to do. Do we need to do anything regarding these workflows? They run on the branches, so I don't.
Yeah.
We have
I
to.
mean, I need to add like security scan
Okay, security scan. What is in the security scan? Is there?
or link checker and like if you check that.
Yeah.
So
So it's checking right now 1.6, 1.7. So we have to add 1.8 here also. Okay.
yeah, and probably not 1.6
Yeah, 1.6 you have to do.
override.
Same for this one also, weekly test release. So these ones
Yeah,
also you have to update. Um,
yeah.
yep, yep. Okay. Let me know when you open the PRs so I can review them.
Yeah. I'm
Sorry,
currently
this.
working on it.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
problem.
Sorry, this is taking some time. This cloning of
Fine.
repo. So it's done. Let's see. Okay, the PR is done. Let me share it in the chat. It's the PR, and I will add OK to test. And let's check the ashas. So we have this one for, I believe, cluster cutter. Yep, cluster cutter CD4N. Yep, cluster cutter. This one. have, this is cluster API controller 528 and v04. Cluster API controller should be cluster API controller, right? Yep, cluster API controller. Then we have system. This is now KubeADM Bootstrap controller, which is 9C6960. Bootstrap controller, this is here. Last one should be the control plane and for F7 to see. Yep, yeah, looks okay to me. Me share it with the maintainers on Slack so they can review it. Stephen is offline. Question. Yeah, so let's wait for this to merge. What else? We have this release cycle is almost ending. We have 2 more releases to go. Let me open the timeline. So we have to do one more RC release next week, 6th of August. And then on 12th of August, we'll be doing a GA release. And we will also be doing the patch releases for 1.6 and 1.7. So 2 more release cut meetings. And then we have one patch release for 1.8, which is included in this cycle, but it's not a responsibility of this release team. It's a mostly responsibility from the maintainers. We can join if we want, but it's mostly the maintainers will be doing the main tasks for this. What is not mentioned here is release retro meeting. I'm not sure if why it's not. Yeah, it's here. Okay. So we have to organize a release retro meeting. I will we can discuss this one tomorrow, or maybe we'll have more people and we can decide which date will be the best for the retro meeting, or maybe we can decide next week. I can add this to the agenda item of tomorrow's meeting. So yeah, other than that, regarding the next release cycle, we have a timeline already merged. So you guys can check this out. I think you guys both are in the next release cycle, so you can check the timeline already. And regarding the members of the team, I think we have enough people um, in the Slack thread, and also the one that Chandan and Sunat have told me about. I think we have enough people in the next release cycle, so I can already start contacting them and getting their Slack handles and also emails, and also asking them which team they want to go. So I will continue with that process and try to get the team ready for you guys for the next cycle. I will also join the next cycle as a shadow in CI. So I will stay in CI. I want to contribute there more. Yeah, that's mostly it. Let's see if we have gotten any review on our PR. Yes, yet. Hmm. Killian, I haven't seen Killian for a long time. I think he is online. Let's see. No, he's not on. Christian and Fabrizio are online. I have tagged them. Let's see if we can take this offline. I think we just need a review here. We have already checked the SHAs. And once this PR is merged, we'll wait for the action. And once the action is done, we will pull the images. If the images are fine, I will ask maintainers to publish the release.
So
So
before publish the release, we need to merge that docs changes, or like after publish the release.
after we can merge these changes after the publish of release. It doesn't need to be merged now. We can merge them tomorrow also. Tomorrow, I mean,
Okay.
this week is fine. I think this week we can merge them. Also, I think that the doc changes are not they. It's good that we should add it as soon as possible, but I think the more important are these ones, because we start seeing the flags if there is something failing or something. Yeah. So we can get it merged tomorrow. It's fine. Tomorrow or
Okay.
this week sometime. Yeah. Let's tag the maintainers once we have the new release. Or you can already tag them, so they know that these PRs are open, so they can review them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you, Sunat and Chandan, for joining.
Yeah, I will quickly open. Yeah.
Yeah. I will review it. Yeah. Thank you,
Yeah.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.